सो क्या कोई तरीका है जिससे हम अपनी साइकोलॉजिकल या मेंटल हेल्थ को खुद ही पहचान कर, आइडेंटिफाई करके उसमें सुधार ला सकते हैं, उसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं?
पहला पैरामीटर एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर इज लाइक चेक विथ योर एनवायरनमेंट. योर एनवायरनमेंट इज अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. हमें बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है हमारे एनवायरनमेंट से, विच इज दैट लेट्स से फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू डोंट रियलाइज इट बट यू बिकम चिड़चिड़, you become angry, grouchy. And you know, 10 people are telling you कि तुम grouchy बन गए हो, थोड़ा extra irritable बन गए हो, बात पे गुस्सा हो जाते हो, क्या हो रहा है? And instead of pushing it away, मतलब 10 लोग गलत नहीं हो सकते हैं. Sit with it. Sit with your monster. We don't like our monsters and we don't spend enough time with our monsters, unfortunately, because they are scary. Bet ho,
and we are busy.
And we are busy,
right?
Obviously, वो
forever busy.
Mars Earth का bridge बना रहे हैं हम,
right?
Right? So sit with yourself, sit with that monster, because sometimes the monster may not be a monster. And that is very important. You have to realize कि मतलब anger के नीचे ना you'll see sadness. But that only you can figure out.
Right.
कि क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे. Answer some questions for yourself. Sit and talk to yourself and say, कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्यों मैं चिड़चिड़ बन गया हूँ, right?
Probably
it's come from
your
somewhere.
Expectations are lot and you are not meeting that expectation. तो वहाँ से problem root हो रही है.
Figure out that authentic वाला जो answer है, अंदर से आएगा.
Okay.
That this is the problem. I'm not able to, meet my ideal life and my real life are not coming together.
Right.
So you'll see a lot of people जो एंग्शियस हो जाते हैं, who डिप्रेस्ड हो जाते हैं, एंग्री हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो डिस्पैरिटी है रियल लाइफ का और आइडियल लाइफ का, राइट, दैट डिस्पैरिटी हैज टू बिकम स्मॉलर.
ओके.
और वो चीज तुम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, राइट? टुडे इफ I have people coming in and saying that I don't have any friends, I'm very upset. क्या कर सकता हूं मैं और क्या कर सकती हूं मैं, राइट? वो एक्शनेबल में है, तुम्हारे चॉइसेस में है. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू हैव फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन नॉट बी सिटिंग इन अ रूम एंड आइसोलेटिंग. You have to go out there. It is difficult, but take the first step. And this is very common amongst people who come and they say that, how do I fix this? Action में होता है.
Right.
And that you need to translate. It doesn't happen just sitting in therapy one-on-one. Once you're done with the therapy, you need to go out and you need to translate it. Right? So what happens is choose differently.
Right.
Choose differently so the outcome is different.
Change your patterns.
Change your patterns.
Okay. So क्या कोई strategic तरीका हो सकता है ये changing the patterns के लिए?
Right. Okay. I'll give you an example of a client who suffers from depression. Okay. In her 20s. She's a girl. And what happened is that she's extremely critical of herself. Okay. The constant narrative, inner dialogue जो है वो बहुत critical होती है.
Okay.
So
the self-talk is very
judgmental वाली, और तुम नहीं कर पाए, क्यों नहीं कर पाए, तुम
शायद तुम में कोई कमी है,
तुम में ही कमी है, तुम ही प्रॉब्लम हो. जो चीजें हमने सीखी है हमारे पेरेंट्स से और फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट फिगर्स,
right,
that narrative gets stuck, and then that narrative translates into the way you talk to yourself.
Right. And I can think of many people who are such critical about themselves.
Correct.
And that actually creates a lot of aggression and grouchiness.
It does. And most of the times वो programming बाहर से आती है. Okay. So then when we start talking to ourselves like that, we also become that tiny person inside. Inner child बोलते हैं ना.
We start taming them. Again.
So you get used to this cycle. You don't break out of the cycle. You need to take a moment. Pause. पॉज में बहुत मैजिक होती है, पावर होती है पॉज में. इट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ रिएक्शन एंड अ रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज वेरी कॉमन इन इंडियन सेटिंग्स. पीपल कम टू मी एंड से, आई वेंट फॉर दिस गैदरिंग, वहाँ पे मेरी एक आंटी आ रही है, अंकल आ रहे हैं, 2 बात बोल जाते हैं और फिर मेरा मूड खराब होता है,
ताने मारते हैं
कुछ as usual they will give you some 2-bit ज्ञान on how you should take care of yourself and height, weight, बच्चा नहीं है, शादी नहीं की है, all of these things are all very real and they bother people, right? So think about
and
in that moment.
Sometimes it's on their insecurities as well.
Yes, it is a direct hit most of the times. So what is in your power at that time कि तुम respond कैसे करोगे? गुस्सा तो आता है, सबको गुस्सा आता है, but take that pause and make it your friend in a lot of situations. कि गुस्सा तो आने वाला है, पता है मुझे, लिखो.
Right.
This is the situation I generally react in this manner. React. In my 10-second pause, what can I do differently? If I don't want to be angry, how can I respond?
Right. What is the right way or a better way to respond?
What is a better way to respond?
In that trigger.
What is a different way to respond?
Right.
Because let's say I say, I don't want to be angry, I want to be unaffected. Deduction karo.
Right.
What will keep you unaffected?
Exactly.
Will it be that, यहाँ से लो, यहाँ से निकालो? Or would it just be like, okay?
Or would it just be like taking 10 deep breaths?
Take 10 deep breaths. Like the pause, everybody asks me quantifiably. I tell people it's 5 to 7 slow deep breaths. Take it in through your nose, exhale through your mouth.
So your
oxygenation of your system, of your nervous system
also calms down.
It calms down and then you are able to respond.
Right.
Like a situation that will make you angry, take 10. I tell people, you think you have to take 5, take 7. You have to take 7, you take 10. Take extra. Deep breaths are love notes to the body.
Yeah.
You don't have to do anything. You just have to breathe right.
Right. And even in the cases of like aggression or aggressive episodes, like this would solve a lot of problem.
It would. Not. I would say not all aggressive episodes. But like when you find yourself in a situation where you can tweak your responses. ऐसे नहीं कि दूसरा नहीं बोल सकते हो. You just get used to reacting a particular way. वो addiction हो जाती है.
Right. It becomes a set pattern.
Yeah. And also like certain emotions are very addictive in nature. So we get used to them.
Right.
It's an emotional fix. So we latch on to it.
Right. Because it's familiar.
It is familiar.
And familiarity is security for us.
Yes. So even if it is unpleasant and unhealthy, we might put ourselves into situations that make us angry, give us guilt, make us upset. It sounds very warped and weird. But check yourself. How is it that I'm falling into this pattern constantly? Why am I feeling bad after every communication? Or why am I feeling angry after every communication with somebody or many people?
Right.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई तो पूरे पॉडकास्ट का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में. इंडल्ज एंड एंजॉय.